Listening test. This test consists of 30 questions which are divided into 6 parts. I will give you a short instruction at the beginning of each part. Before we get started, take a pen and paper so you can take notes while listening. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Listen to a visitor talking to a local woman in the city center.
Are you looking for something, sir?
Yes, please. I need some help.
What's the problem?
I'm new in the city. I arrived yesterday and I'm trying to find the city library, but I can't find it on my map.
That's okay. I can help you. What's your first name?
Daniel.
Daniel. How do you spell that?
Daniel.
Thanks. And what's your surname?
Morgan. Morgan.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too.
So you're trying to find the city library, right?
Yes, the city library. I need a place to read and work. I'm staying at a hotel, but my room is too small.
Which hotel are you staying in?
The Greenleaf Hotel on Market Street, room 214.
Oh, yes, I know that one. It's a nice hotel. How long will you stay here?
I'm staying for 5 days, maybe more if I like the city.
Great! Well, the library is on River Road. It's not far from here.
River Road, okay?
Walk straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Left at the lights, got it.
After that, you will see a small cafe on your right. It's called Sunny Cup Cafe.
Sunny Cup Cafe, all right?
Walk past the cafe for about 3 minutes. The city library is a big white building on the corner. You can't miss it.
A big white building on the corner, okay. What time does the library open?
It opens at 9 in the morning and closes at 6 in the evening.
Thank you. And what's the full address?
85 River Road.
85 River Road. Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Daniel. If you get lost, just ask again. People here are friendly. Have a good day.
You too.
Choose the correct option. Part 2. Listen to a student talking to a teacher after class.
Good morning, Alex. You look a little worried. Is everything okay?
Good morning, Miss Turner. I'm just a bit stressed about the upcoming math test.
I understand. Many students feel the same. Did you study last night?
Yes, but some parts are still confusing for me.
Which parts?
The word problems, especially the ones with percentages.
Ah, yes. Those can be tricky at first. When did you start studying for the test?
I started on Saturday afternoon. I studied for about 2 hours every day.
That's good. Consistent study helps. Do you have your notebook with you?
Yes, here it is.
Let me see. Okay, your notes are organized. What's your free time today? I can offer extra help.
I'm free after lunch around 1:30 p.m.
Perfect. I have a break at that time. Let's meet in room 204.
Thank you. That would really help me.
No problem. One more question. Did you complete the practice sheet I gave on Friday?
Yes, I finished it last night. I got most answers right, but a few were difficult.
Bring it with you at 1:30. We'll review those questions together.
Great. Thank you so much, Miss Turner.
You're welcome, Alex. See you after lunch.
Choose the correct option. Part 3. Listen to a customer talking to a hotel receptionist about booking a room.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Royal Palm Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Certainly. What dates would you like to stay?
From the 12th to the 14th of September.
Let me check. Yes, we have several rooms available. Would you prefer a standard room or a deluxe room?
What's the difference?
The standard room is $90 per night. The deluxe room is larger and has a balcony. It's $120 per night.
I think I'll take the deluxe room.
Great choice. And may I have your full name?
Yes, Michael Harris.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. Do you need breakfast included? It's an extra $8 per day.
Yes, breakfast for both days, please.
Perfect. That brings your total to $256.
Can I pay when I check in?
Of course. Check-in begins at 2 p.m. What time do you expect to arrive?
Around 3:30 in the afternoon?
Wonderful. Do you need airport pickup?
No, thank you. I'll take a taxi.
All right. Your room is reserved. We'll see you on the 12th.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Choose the correct option. Part 4. Listen to a customer talking to a ticket agent about buying concert tickets.
Good evening. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to buy 2 tickets for the Sunrise Music Festival.
Of course. Which day would you like to attend? There are concerts on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
I prefer Saturday night. Do you still have seats available?
Yes, but Saturday is almost sold out. We only have balcony seats and premium floor seats left.
What's the price difference?
Balcony seats are $45 each, and premium floor seats are $72 each.
I'll take the balcony seats.
Great. And under whose name should I book the tickets?
Under Laura Bennett, please.
Thank you. How would you like to pay, credit card or cash?
Credit card. Also, what time do the doors open?
Doors open at 6:30 p.m. and the concert starts at 7:15 p.m.
Perfect. Can you email the tickets to me?
Sure. What's your email address?
laura.bennett84@mail.com.
All right. Your total is $90. You'll receive the tickets within the next minute.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the show.
Choose the correct option.
Listen to a customer talking to an electronics store employee about a faulty item they recently bought.
Good evening. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy 2 tickets for the Sunrise Music Festival.
Of course. Which day would you like to attend? There are concerts on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
I prefer Saturday night. Do you still have seats available?
Yes, but Saturday is almost sold out. We only have balcony seats and premium floor seats left.
What's the price difference?
Balcony seats are $45 each, and premium floor seats are $72 each.
I'll take the balcony seats.
Great. And under whose name should I book the tickets?
Under Laura Bennett, please.
Thank you. How would you like to pay, credit card or cash?
Credit card. Also, what time do the doors open?
Doors open at 6:30 p.m. and the concert starts at 7:15 p.m.
Perfect. Can you email the tickets to me?
Sure. What's your email address?
laura.bennett84@mail.com.
All right. Your total is $90. You'll receive the tickets within the next minute.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the show.
Choose the correct option.
Listen to a customer talking to a hotel receptionist to book a room. Pay attention to details, room types, dates, and additional charges.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Horizon Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hello. I'd like to book a room for a short stay next month, but I have a few specific requirements.
Certainly. Could you tell me the dates you intend to stay?
I'm looking at October 10th to October 14th.
Let me check. For those dates, we have a standard room, deluxe room, and a suite available.
I prefer a deluxe room, but it must have a city view and a king-size bed.
The deluxe rooms with a city view are limited. We have one left with a king-size bed.
That works. What's the total cost?
The nightly rate is $180 plus a 10% service charge and $15 per night city tax.
Can I add breakfast for both mornings?
Certainly. Breakfast is $20 per person per day.
Okay. And I might check in earlier around 11 a.m. Will that be possible?
Early check-in depends on availability. We can guarantee it only if you reserve the suite. Otherwise, early check-in may incur a $50 surcharge.
No, I'll stick to the deluxe room. That's fine.
Very well. Could I have your full name, please?
Yes, Samantha Collins.
Thank you. And your contact number?
It's +1 202 555 0198.
Perfect. Would you like to secure the booking with a credit card?
Yes, please. Also, if I decide to extend my stay by one night, can I do that on arrival?
We can check availability, but it's subject to occupancy. We recommend notifying us as soon as possible.
Understood. That's all for now.
Excellent. Your deluxe room is reserved. You'll receive confirmation via email shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We look forward to your stay.
Choose the correct option. Thank you for completing all 6 parts of the listening practice. We hope these exercises help you improve your English skills and prepare for real exam situations. If you enjoyed this material and want more lessons, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you.